You searched how to buy shares of Masoval AS. Masoval AS is an industrial manufacturing company listed on Euronext under the ticker MAS.OL. This video is educational and does not constitute financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker MAS.OL to find the listing. Select the result that corresponds to Masoval AS to open the stock page. On the asset page, review the concise company summary and the price chart to get context. Confirm the page shows Masoval AS and the ticker MAS.OL before proceeding. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, carefully review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may wait to execute at the next session, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your open position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. Find the eToro link in the description below if you want to visit the platform used in this example.